Thailand has been an excellent and strategic partner of the German International Climate Initiative for 15 years now. Thailand's ambitious climate goals require a transformation from the current hydrocarbon-based economy to a renewable economy with energy efficiency and a massive expansion of renewable energies. Ladies and gentlemen, with this, my sincere congratulations to all partners for their commitment to this important common project.
Tourism in Thailand wants to become greener, more sustainable, and has very clear target setting for decarbonization and net zero. Green hydrogen can play specifically in this kind of niche situations a very important role.
We will introduce Dr. Robert Himmlers together with Mr. Tim Nee to sign the MOU.
As H2Up, we work on projects related to green hydrogen and PTX, and we believe that by supporting projects, working on projects, we can also move forward in markets for green hydrogen PTX. And the idea is to make it a global market. We always try to connect German, European companies with local companies here in Thailand. See, in the case of our project, it would certainly then be hotels that we would be working with, and that would also later on become beneficiaries of this new green technology.
We will do the feasibility studies of the replacing diesel generation and have the alternative option with the hydrogen, with the batteries. Basically, we will do on-site assessment with the hotel, and other part we also do the simulation in order to scale up to the region as well.
So we are now looking for hotels and resorts which are off-grid and which are willing to cooperate with us on that project. So the question for us, how feasible is it to buy green hydrogen technical systems? How easy it is to maintain them? What is happening if they need repair? How fast can we get a technician to these remote areas? And of course, it will also be about the investment costs. For me, the last work package will be the implementation, because we don't only want to talk, we actually want to do it. So with these words, I would like to finalize my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention, and I'm looking forward for your questions and the networking.